Welcome to Komby DJ PRO in 2-deck mode. This classic CDJ-style layout gives you 2 full decks, large jog wheels, and a centered mixer, perfect for focused mixing. Switch to 2-deck mode with the 2D button. Deck A is on the left in cyan, Deck B on the right in purple, with the mixer in the middle. Open the music library from the header to browse your tracks. Built-in songs and local files appear here. Search for international radio. We will load this track onto Deck A, the left deck. Drag and drop the track onto Deck A. You can also use the quick load buttons in the library row. Now find the extended DJ mix for Deck B on the right side. Drop extended DJ onto Deck B. Both decks now show their track titles, ready to mix. Confirm both decks loaded successfully. Deck A has international radio, Deck B has extended DJ. Press the large play button on Deck A. In 2-deck mode, play and cue are big round controls just like a real CDJ. Start Deck B as well. Both tracks are now playing, time to explore the controls. The large center jog wheel is the heart of 2-deck mode. Drag it to nudge position or scratch like vinyl. Tap Q to return to your main cue point. Double-click Q to set a new start marker for tight mix-ins. Hold pitch bend up or down to temporarily speed up or slow the deck, ideal for matching beats by ear. Use the channel volume faders in the mixer to balance Deck A and Deck B in the master mix. The crossfader blends Deck A and Deck B, sweep it left and right for classic DJ transitions. Shape each channel with high mid and low EQ, cut competing frequencies when both decks play together. Auto loop locks a beat sync loop. Loop roll is momentary, hold for builds, release to continue the track. Hot cue pads mark key moments. Set hot QA, then tap it anytime to jump straight to that point. Beat sync matches tempo and phase to the master deck. Beat align snaps the nearest beat onto the master for a clean lock. Toggle vinyl mode for scratch-style jog behavior, or stay in CDJ mode for classic digital platter control. Open the FX rack and send a deck into effects. Add filters, echoes, and creative transitions from the mixer. Pause holds your place on the platter. Press play again to resume exactly where you left off. Use headphone cue to preview a deck privately while the master mix keeps playing for your audience. That is the 2-deck tour of Komby DJ PRO. Large jogs, full transport, mixer, sync, and effects. Now create your mix.